are doing good. Welcome back to our channel E-Learning Kids Zone. Kids, today we are going to learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z with pictures and example. So let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Hope you like our videos. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye kids.